In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove picture backgrounds in GIMP. This quick and easy 5-minute tutorial is perfect if you're looking to cleanly isolate the main subject of your photos. Now, let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to open your image in GIMP. You can do this by navigating to the top menu, selecting File, and then clicking Open. This will bring up your file browser, allowing you to locate and double-click on the image you want to edit. Once your image has loaded, you'll see it appear as a layer in the Layers panel, which is usually found on the right side of your screen. Next, we need to prepare your image for background removal. Head over to the Layers panel, right-click on your image layer, and select Add Alpha Channel. This crucial step gives your layer transparency capability, allowing parts of your image to become see-through when you remove them. With the alpha channel added, we can now proceed to select the background. Click on Tools in the menu, then select Selection Tools, and choose the Fuzzy Select tool. This tool is often represented by a magic wand icon. It's designed to make selections based on color and shading, and is perfect for picking out the background that contrasts with your main subject. Now, take the Fuzzy Select tool and click on the background area that you want to remove. By default, it might not select everything perfectly, but don't worry. You can fine-tune the selection by adjusting the threshold in the Tool Options panel, usually located below the main toolbox. Increasing the threshold will expand the selection, whereas decreasing it will make the selection more precise. Once you're satisfied with the selection, it's time to remove that background. Simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. You'll see the selected areas become checkerboard patterned, which indicates transparency. If some areas of the background remain, or if the selection wasn't perfect, switch over to the Eraser tool, identified by the eraser icon in the toolbox. You can manually erase any unwanted bits, making sure your subject is cleanly isolated. Finally, to save your work while preserving the transparency, go back to the top menu and click File, then Export As. In the dialog box that appears, choose the PNG format, which supports transparency. Give your file a name, select the destination folder, and hit Export. Remember to confirm any additional settings that pop up to ensure you retain the transparency effect. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the background from your image using GIMP. This process is not only quick, but highly effective, allowing you to create stunning, professional-looking images. Whether you're preparing graphics for a presentation or creating content for social media, mastering this technique will definitely come in handy. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!